Oh, I was trying to get it back straight. Man, that thing's a ripper. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MMCE336. A very nice 1991 Chevrolet Corvette in Quasar Blue. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Please don't slaughter me in the comments. This car has, I want to say, 44,000 miles on it. We'll find out here in just a second. Very, very nice condition though. Ran up on somebody. Obliterated the front bumper and a little bit of the frame horns. Kind of pushed everything up, but hey, it is what it is. Very nice L98 under the hood. I see an MSD cap peeking out from underneath there. We're not going to be selling this one as a swap. We've got a couple of them, but this will be a very nice tune port replacement motor for your Camaro, Firebird, Corvette. I don't know. I don't think these came in anything else. Pretty sure the tune port was just in the performance stuff. You got the old L98 and everything else. Let's step inside here, fire this thing up, test some parts on it. Very, very nice condition though.
Radio's junk!
Ah!
The seats don't move.
Boo. Little. This guy says it won't do a burnout. Challenge accepted. What? John's creative jump points here. GM did not leave you really anywhere to jump one of these with the side post. If we could go back in time and just eliminate the side post battery, that would be a great feat. Find the guy that suggested that thing and just fire him right now. Who's our new mascot? Oh, I got a photo of him earlier over there. All right, anyways, we are really getting distracted here. When automotive ADD meets a real ADD, J&J Auto Wrecking. All right. She's a real beaut, Clark. Door ajar, we know. Service ride control, we know. We know. Let's test some parts. Yeah, that just happened. Oh, power mirrors. Transmission. Reverse. Drive. Oh, I was trying to get it back straight. Man, that thing's a ripper. Whew, smoky. Hey, the owner told me to do it. Oh, look, this guy's trying to work.
Directly behind it.
He's like,
wait, why do you have to ruin everything, John?
yeah, this is why we can't have
I'm not
nice.
taking any photos in the next few minutes.
Hey, you got a smoke break.
Whatever.
Well, guys, MMCE336, that's going to wrap up the test video. A very nice Corvette. That is a certified ripper. It's been a while since I pissed everybody off and destroyed the shop with smoke, but hey, somebody's got to have some fun around here. That is going to wrap it up though, guys. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.